last time I started coming here, since I got into motorcycles basically. Test. Sorry, I'm just having so much fun. I guess yeah, I'll show this area right here. It's actually a pretty cool area. I used to go fishing here. First gear on this is like too short. I don't know why they would make it that short. This, I don't know, I feel like the gearing on this could definitely be a little bit better. But I mean, can't complain. These things have lasted forever. I need to get back home fast, not because I need a rush for the food and stuff, but because where I'm at right now, I'm actually not allowed to be with this dirt bike, and I'm not afraid of the cops or anything. Like, I'm sure it's not going to be a big consequence, or they'd even ticket me. But it's more the guy that works at the park here. He's just weird in a bit. So yeah, let's go. I love this motorcycle so far. It's so much fucking fun. It's a 2005. Spent a little bit under half of what you would spend buying one brand new, and it's already modded out for me. Like, the only thing I've had to buy is a replacement throttle cable and also a shock for the rear. And I went kind of overboard with it because I got a shock that can handle people that are like fucking 200 something pounds. So don't have to do that, but definitely worth it if you see yourself keeping it. Oh yeah, what's up?
Am I on YouTube? Am I gonna be on YouTube?
If you want to be.
Yeah, sure, bro. What's your YouTube channel?
It's Mattress with an X.
Hold on, type it in, I'm gonna follow you.
I just started. I'm not like big or anything, but sure.
Okay, and type it in. I'm gonna...
You're good, bro. That's hilarious.
Don't mind that cheer stuff.
Yo, you see how it gets stuck? Yeah, that's not safe.
Well, you said funny.
The 110?
No,
How big
the
is-
50 one.
You have a 50?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is also a 50.
Yeah, I know how to. I want to ride it. Not gonna lie.
Once I get it all fixed up.
It's a little bit slow, but like it's
Yeah?
so fun. It's so fun.
It's really
Wow.
fun. I love these. Once you get bigger,
Look at,
get a big bike. I have a bigger bike, but I just got hurt.
You just like so you just
So
want to
you guys gotta be careful. Cause look, yeah, I just got hurt.
You just want to mess around with this one.
Yeah, this is just for fun. But it's really fun. That's why I'm making a YouTube video.
Do you do any jumps?
That's how I got hurt. Like here,
That's
like
how you
this.
got- Can you do it
I
mini
dropped
wheelie?
like 30 feet. Yeah.
You can breathe, son.
That's funny.
Nolly though.
Yeah. No, but yeah, I mean, I'm practicing. I can wheelie on my Grom better than this, but I'm gonna learn on this one. I'm gonna try.
I like that GoPro.
Oh yeah, thank you. Save up, get one. Get a YouTube channel.
I already got one.
Here. Oh wait. Definitely getting hot. Ran for a long time. Oh shit, gas is leaking. Need to look into that. So I'm gonna put it on off. Hopefully that stops right there. And then I'm gonna raise the choke like halfway.